hola. Hola, hola, mga Italianos. Welcome back to another episode of Kasi Lifestyle Originals. It's a boy here, Zilla Ocean, back again with another one. If you're new to the channel, please love and subscribe. But you know what I'm trying to say? Leave a like, man. Leave a like and subscribe. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed. It really means a lot, man. Yo, guys, thank you very much for subscribing and joining the family. So without further ado, today we are going all the way to South Africa. We're going to be checking out an artist that goes by the name of K.O. You know how it is? Yeah. Nah. Nah. You know how it is? Featuring Nasty C, man. Featuring Nasty C. And man, it's too much. That's the name of the song. The name of the song is too much, and it's got giants on it, So yeah, Skanda World's back again with KO Nasty C. Too much. So let's check out the music video. I love the skit that they did for promoting the song there on McG podcast. That was fire. If you guys haven't seen it, this is the skit. This is the skit that they did.
Say, bro, why do you love it here? Alcohol, man. It's too much.
It's too much.
I hear you like working out on top of taxis. Type shit. CI. Type shit. Quant down.
Yeah.
Did you see the 9-man meza when I was doing the push-ups on the quantum?
Did you watch the Palm-Beach Marathon this year?
If not, I was in the top 10.
Too much. So let's check out. Let's check them out. Oh, it's even here in the music video. Oh, cool.
We sit here and we do all this work, dog. Every day we come in here, we make these guys look good, set up the cameras, lights, sound. They get all the glory. No one even knows who we are.
Man,
wait, are they claiming to be the camera crew from McG?
I'm just here to pick up my little Stina 5 from these members.
Yeah. Stina 5.
Stina 5, that's $5,000, 5,000 rands.
You make 1.5.
Oh, Stina 5, 1.5. I was wrong. It's not 5, it's actually less. So yeah. And it's a little. It's right? 1.5. They're underpaid.
I'm too much, too cool, way too much. Woman, mouth lang feet, boom boom. Too much, scoop too much. Yogo, too much. Came from wins and losses, haters make me nauseous. Riding around with my bros, big design on my clothes. Made it live on my shows. Too much. Riding around with my bros, big design on my clothes. Made it live on my shows. Ice white, Air Force Ones, skipa ningaza yaskanda. Casablanca le lamba de stana, skibela machachi from summer to summer. A mathematician is spanning a number. These bitches don't me, they just tryna come up. Shorty get daddy. Jelena vuli puchari, you tandu nigana ngenyama, we chandeli school. On phone them, on phone with my man, it's the screw squad. All I'm hearing is a lot of me. Heard your tape and it was lukewarm. My latest shit is still ringing up. Cause all I ever wanted was the crown. Killing niggas in the booth for the guy by the dude, must long as a beach. A 10 on my lap and I side just and get straight to full. I'm tough. Fat that bed till it's splash on a beast. Back on road, now we hustling peas. Sabotage up the keys. I made a couple of G's and a couple of M's. Next up is a couple of P's. Double my cases pools. Shit still feeling like April's Fools. Killing like a circle, the game soon sues. No, my punchline game is good. It's nice, but the AKA used to. I'm way past you. Niggas, I'm about to pass you twice. And you thought it was a date to fool. I'm too much, too cool, way too much. Woman, mouth lang feet, boom boom. It's too much, scoop too much. Yogo, too much. Came from wins and losses, haters make me nauseous. Riding around with my bros, big design on my clothes. Made it live on my shows. Too much, riding around with my bros, Big design on my crew. Made it live for my shows. To my. I put on for the crew, I've been locked in the stool. I'm a dad to your boy, I'm a father to you. Gotta open up doors and walk niggas through. She put on a little weight, now the walk feeling new. You don't fuck the bitch right, baby, carve flip a soup. You got half for one song, now you a guard out the blue. Niggas lost in the gravy, niggas lost in the soup. How many niggas took a bite that the jaw couldn't chew? I'm the one that put the city on the map, who are you? My son use a Ferragamo belt to hula hoop. This is secondhand whip, but to me it's pretty new. I just took it, I ain't asked how I got from who to who. It was free, who was smoking marijuana in my room? It was me, chasing money, I'll be back tomorrow noon. Leave key, how much time you need to turn a mill or two? Give me a week, she keep asking how much was it, but they gave it to me. I freestyle, but they gotta pay me to see. You little niggas lazy and it ain't hard to see. You couldn't make it with the way it paved to the T. They got me feeling like I'm Lil Wayne Carter 3. She fucked up, made a big mistake leaving me. I'ma tell you like Rihanna, baby, you needed me. Like, all about the peace, but I still beat the beat. Only time I underscore is right before the C. Ooh, ooh, I'm too much, too cool, way too much. Woman, mouth lang your feet. Boom, boom, it's too much. Scoop, boom, too much. Yogo, too much. Came from wins and losses, haters make me nauseous. Riding around with my bros, big design on my clothes. Made it live on my shows. Too much, too much. Riding around with my bros, big design on my crew. Made it live on my shows. Too much, too much.
Too much.
It's too much.
It's too much.
He left me hanging again. It's too much. Yo. Why you leaving the boy hanging now, KO, dog? Nah, bro. Hey, yo. It's too much. It's too much, man. It's too much. It's too much. No, bro. Like, yo, this is fire. This is fire. I fucking love this energy. Like, yo, it's too much. You know, KO and STC, they deliver, man. KO with the punchlines. You know, man. STC, man. You know, man. He came in. You know, fucking dope, man. This was fucking dope. This was fucking fire. Collab I never expected. This was a collab I never expected, and they delivered. You know, I had my doubts. You know, I was like, let's see, but they proved me wrong. Like, yo, they delivered. It's too much. You know, I fucking love this, man. I fucking love the song, man. Like, I'm about to play the song on repeat, man. It's too much. I'm gonna play it on repeat too much. You know how it is, man. Yeah. 10 out of 10, man. 10 out of 10. Let me know what you guys think about the song. Do you guys also agree with my thoughts on the song? Let me know, man. Do you guys think it's too much? If you think it's too much, leave a comment there saying too much on the comment section. Yeah, if you agree with me, say too much there in the comment section there. And then if you disagree, say too less. Yeah, you know how it is. But it's too much though. I think everyone will agree it's too much. You know, it's fucking dope. So yeah, man, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Yeah, it's kind of wild. I do not expect to see like like music from KO this time soon after he released all his artists, you know, from the record label. So yeah, but no, he's not resting. He's still pushing. It's really dope to see. Yeah, can't wait to see what more they will have for us. Even Nasty C himself, man. I was listening to Nasty C's album the other day, a few weeks ago. It was on Monday, I think. Yeah, on Monday, and it was my first time I listened to the album, and I was sleeping on it. I was sleeping on that album. Like, I don't know why I was waiting on, I never heard a single song from that album. So I was like, you know what, let me play this album from start to finish. Beautiful album. You guys should go check out Nasty C's album, man. It's fucking dope. It's fucking fire. My favorite song was the one he did with Madlera. That song was fire, man. I fucking love that song. Yeah. So yeah, that's it right now from me. Got nothing else to add. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed. I go by the name of Zulu Ocean, signing out from Kasi Lifestyle Original Studios. These are using Makasi Dalianos. Oh yeah, shoot.